This is Jim with DC Digital, and I'm demonstrating today a DC-40T-UP-TERM-ANDON with an andon light and also a keypad, a wired keypad. Also, you see two remote push button 60mm push button switches that the customers ordered with this, and it's kind of a unique custom, obviously, system. And what they wanted was a count up timer that they could set a threshold time of when the andon light turns green. And this is a multicolored andon light, so we have it wired for green. It also comes with a Sound Alert audio buzzer, but they didn't want that connected. So this is a 4-inch display, all red LEDs. You can see it here. The case has been separated, and I'm showing you that because the wire connections are, here's your keypad, and it's just 3 wires, and it goes into this terminal block, so it's just screw terminals. And then here's your stop push button, and it gets put into terminal number 2. And terminal 3 is a reset to 0, and terminal 1 is the reset and start. And the reset and start is this green button. So just simply, if you just push the green button, it's just going to start. And when it gets to the set value, the green light will, andon light will light. And so to stop it, just push the red button. Now to set it, that is done through the keypad. So let's go ahead and operate that. So I'm gonna zero it here. You can zero the count or the timer. Go ahead and hit set value. So I'm setting the green value. You can see the green light comes on. The last set value is 5 minutes. This is a minutes and seconds timer. And we're going to go ahead and zero that. So we push 0 for setting it. And then we're going to say 5 seconds or 10 seconds or whatever. So we're going to stop at 10. Push the set seconds again. Now if you wanted to set the minutes, you push the minutes and then push it again to stop it. Go ahead and push the set value again to stop it, to stop the setting mode of it. And now we're going to go ahead and push the green button. We can use the green button, or you can use the start stop from the keypad. We're going to go ahead and use the green button, so it'll reset and start, and it'll start the time up function. I can use the keypad to stop it. There, I've stopped it. Use it to start again. Now when you stop it, the green light goes out. Start it again. If it's gone past the threshold, then it will come back on. I'm going to go ahead and stop it with the red button. Green light goes out. It stops the timer. I'm going to go ahead and push start again with the keypad. Now I'm going to do a reset and start, and that's what the green buttons does. So I'm going to reset it and start it, reset it to 0 and start. And then when it gets to 10 seconds, from which we've set the threshold to, the actual green light to come on, it comes on. We can stop it with the keypad, start it with the keypad, stop it. We can zero it. It can only be zeroed once it's been stopped. Go ahead and reset and start. I'm going to show you the enclosure and all that's inner workings of it. So these are modular connections. We have a 6-pin, we've got a 3-pin, got the power connection, and this you can separate this front part of the enclosure from the rear part of the enclosure. There are 2 slotted screw channels, and there are 2 just regular holes. The slotted allows you to be able to line up the front to the back portion of the enclosure. Also, as you can see, the rear or the back part of the enclosure has these teardrop mounting tabs, This is for a 4-square or a handy box electrical. And then also we have 2 teardrop mounting tabs if you don't want to go with a electrical handy box or electrical box. Also the access holes, these are knockouts. There's 4 of them, 1 on either side and then 2 in the middle. Those are for 1/2-inch knockout. And then we have a power. Our power is a 2.1 millimeter 6-foot cord, 24-volt power supply, 1 amp. It takes 120 volts AC. There's labeling inside. There's to indicate what goes where with your wiring. Give you some kind of quick field reference. And there you have it. It's a DC-40T-UP- with an andon, with a keypad controller to set your andon light, and remote controls for your stopping and starting. Thank you.